Today I have Macy Pham with me. We're gonna do something different. Massage and back crack at the same time. So let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. First you feel where the spine is, which is right here. Once you're familiar with the position, you massage with your thumb. You want to loosen up the muscles in order to get the crack. You can use your fist and do a roll. Then you try to find the tension. If it's pretty tight right here, then massage it. Do a circular massage. It's pretty tight right here too, and right here. So for the crack, you put your hand like this and push down. You can do the chop. For the lower back, you bring her on the side and then you pull her arm out. Make sure the butt is tucked in. So for this side, you pull her arm this way. Make sure she folds her arms and then push the bottom butt towards yourself and hold for stability. To see more of Macy Pham, please click on the link above and below. Thank you for watching.